Namaste, my dear friends. Today I am going to talk about the energy, eyes, and its vision. So, as I said the last time, we have energy everywhere. As we increase the energy, we get to see many things. So, today I am going to talk about different eyes and different levels of vision that we can have. The first eyes that we have are our physical eyes, what we can see, where we can visualize all those physical objects, everything that can be touched, that cannot be touched, things where the light fall on the object, all those reflections can be seen through our physical eye. That's one sort of vision. And the second vision is when you close the eyes, you will see everything that's going on in your mind, and you get to see, you get to visualize, you get to see many things that happened in the past that's going to happen in the future in the mind. The mind is going to show all those stuff. That sort of mental eye. So everything that's happening in your mind, they are going to have some visions, and those belongs to our mental eye. And the third eye is when you shut off the first eye, the physical eye, your mental eye will open. When you shut off the mental eye, that is through the meditation, when you sit in the comfortable place, when you shut off the physical eye and then you shut off the mental eye, then the third eye will open. That we call it as the divine eye or the meditation eye. So when you are closing your eyes, when you shut off your mind, there are things that will come in your visions that you can see, you can visualize all those divine things. So when your mental eye stopped, you stop judging the things, but you still have some implications or the visions, all those objects that are there in your body, that are imprinted inside, will show the visualizations in the in the meditation eye. So people say that I have seen God, I have seen Lord Jesus, I have seen various other gods, because they are all imprinted inside them, and that's what they want to see in their meditation. So that's called meditation eye or the divine eye, where you get to see a lot of divine things happening inside. And there's going to be the final eye. So even when you shut off that meditation eye, then you are going to see everything is the wisdom eye, is through the wisdom eye. What is the wisdom eye? Wisdom eye is nothing but, so all those knowledge, all those content that you have so far acknowledged and adopted from various places, you will have everything. That's everything is got shut down. So you have to shut down all those things, whatever you have acquired through your physical eye, whatever you have acquired through your mental eye, whatever you acquired through your meditation eye. If you shut down all those things, then you'll get to see a lot of wisdom that's coming up to you. From that knowledge, from that wisdom, you again go back and see everything, analyzing yourself within yourself, and see the physical things, see the meditation things, see the mental things, everything with the wisdom. So when you get to see everything through the wisdom, then that will be your wisdom eye, in which you don't judge anyone, you don't complain on anything, you just see everything as a witness. You just see everything from different perspectives. So you just analyze, observe, and just stay as a witness. That's called a wisdom eye. So we have 4 eyes. One is physical eye, then the mental eye, then the divine eye or the meditation eye, and the fourth one is the final one, the wisdom eye. Thanks for watching. This is Arun signing off.